Today I'm going to show you how to use Tinkercad to make that fantastic shape. So let's get cracking. This is the Tinkercad Worldwide User Group, a fantastic place to get information about Tinkercad. There are so many awesome questions and so many amazing users that take time to try and help. I want to quickly highlight what Robin did right here. This is called a share link. I'll show you how to make them and I'm going to show you how they work. This shared link will give you a copy of the user's project. Now, Robin obviously solved this. Let me show you how it works. But before I do, don't forget the golden rule of Tinkercad. Give a reaction before you copy and tinker. Notice this says copy for Gavin. That means that Robin's original project is untouched. Her solution has two parts. The first one was the sketch tool. When you bring this out, I do want to highlight that the sketch features are super useful. You can read these at your leisure and they'll make you better as a Tinkercad designer. When you're done, simply hit the X. If you prefer my tutorials, you can track them down using this bit.ly right here. All right, so check this out. We're going to build this super quick. I'm going to simply make a diamond that fits inside the centimeter cube. I'm going down 5, over 5, back and forth until we connect this diamond. When I'm done, I'm going to double click and double click to auto smooth it. That gives us a 10 by 10 and check it out. It's real close to what Robin was working with. Now I'm going to put this right over here on this line. Doesn't have to be anywhere special. That's just where I'm choosing. If you wanted it to be a different size, you could change it to 11 by 11. You can adjust it that easily. Now we're going to build the base. I'm going to make it about 15 out. I'm going to simply double click to finish that. P for pen. And we're going to simply go 15 by 4 by 15 and finish it off. 2 different pieces. Double click to finish. And let's finish by hitting P for pen. And we're going to start from this corner, and I'm going in 12, and I'm going up 5. I'm going to just click and make a normal point. I'm also going to go straight up, straight out, and I'm going to finish that shape. Straight lines, easy peasy. Now we double click it though, and we click right here and press number 2 to smooth it. This gives us this awesome curve. Notice our shape looks fantastic. If you want to adjust it, I recommend the handles. You can simply nudge them. If you want a more fine nudge, you just switch to the smaller numbers. You can also change the length of the curve. You can adjust your shape in really cool ways without having to truly understand Bezier curves. Of course, you can drag the handles if you prefer that. Notice if these measurements ever get in your way, you can simply hide them right there. I'm going to click on this point and nudge it back just a couple clicks. You can also click out here and nudge these as well, whatever you want, as you make the part look exactly how you wish. Then finally, hit Finish Sketch. If you want, you can maximize the sides to make it more smooth. That is up to you. The next step is to squeeze this down to size 10. We're doing that because we want 360 degrees and 10 makes it easier. Now we can make the sweet rotation. Simply grab it. Do Control D. Rotate it 20 degrees or 30 degrees. Both of those go in to 360 degrees. Let go and do Control D again and again until you get to the other side. Bang! Super fun shape in just a few minutes. Once again, huge shout out to Robin at Miltney Creates for showing this technique. And now I want to highlight my favorite part of this. Robin shared this so we can all see it. Let me show you what she did. At the Tinkercad workspace, you simply click on the gear. Click on the properties. I usually mention that I've got a tutorial coming. I also add tags. And then this is the part I really want to highlight. When you click this share link, you can save the changes. So then you can copy this link and share it so other users can learn from your skills. This is exactly what Robin did for Gavin, and I just wanted to highlight how awesome I thought it was. As I wrap up, once again, massive shout out to Robin at Miltney Creates. You can find her everywhere. Such a cool project and so cool that you use that sweet share link so we can open the design and learn from your skills. Of course, friends, I do want to say thank you to everybody that supports me via YouTube memberships. Don't forget there are 3 levels of support starting as low as $5 a month. With any level of support, you get early access to videos. Make sure you also pay attention for those members only posts. A massive shout out as well to everybody that supports me via Patreon. Love how that group is growing. We are way past 600 members. It is a fantastic free messaging area where you can ask questions, post designs, gain skills. Of course, you can learn more with the bit.ly up above or the link in the description. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe. You're helping HLModTech get just a little bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.